So to do so, once we click auto publish, it's going to choose between WordPress and Ghost. We're going to go with Ghost, and then we're going to select our site, and then we're going to choose what we want to post as, a page or a post. In this example, it's probably best to do it as a post. Every day, new trending topics within my niche or research, we write an SEO optimized article and it's posted automatically onto my Ghost site. As you can see, this article was posted 3 hours ago, and I literally did nothing to post this article, to research this article, or to write this article. And you can see that we have our cover image included. Here it is. Then we have our key takeaways, we have internal links, and we have custom images throughout the article. And this is on a topic that is very relevant. It's on vibe coding in 2026 and ecosystems. And again, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom of this article, we can see the references that were used to actually gather information right about these topics. It's all 2026 up-to-date live information. So if you're a new site or you're within mortgage, crypto, AI, things that are new and up-to-date, you can automate a process that allows you to research and write content without you having to lift a finger and connect it to your Ghost site. So it's totally hands off. So let me show you exactly what I did to set this up. In WordRocket, we've created an integration with Ghost, and it's very easy to set up, even easier to set up than WordPress. If you head over to the Ghost setting, of course, you need to have a Ghost account and a Ghost website. All you need to do is follow these instructions. So in the Ghost admin, head over to settings, integrations, and add a custom integration. Let's head back over to Ghost. So again, we need to go to settings, right, in our dashboard. And then we need to go down to integrations, and that's going to be under advanced. So setting, scroll all the way down to advanced, then integrations. We can see under integrations that there's already some pre-built integrations with Zapier, Slack, Unsplash, and so on. So these are built in, but we need to actually go ahead and create a custom integration. So we're going to click custom integration. I'm going to just name this WordRocket 2. I'm going to give it a name, and you can also give it a description. So now you have a couple of API keys in which you can use. The only API key that is going to be relevant to your WordRocket integration with Ghost is your admin API key. So we need to go ahead and copy over the admin API key. We're going to paste in the admin API key, and as you saw as well, we also have a Ghost site URL. So we're going to copy over that URL, and we're going to paste it into where it says Ghost site URL and click connect site. Give it a couple of seconds, and as you can see here, your Ghost site has successfully connected to WordRocket. Now, if you wanted to set up an automation, here is how you would do so. Head over to automations. We're going to create a new automation. We're going to give it a name. Then we want to tell the automation what the niche or the topic is going to be about. So let's say I wanted to do a review of AI tools in 2026, and I want to do new up-to-date content around that. I can add that in. And also my subtopic can be AI news of 2026. Then we're going to go to next. We're going to choose the frequency. We want to do something, let's say daily. So daily, we're going to run something daily every day at 9 a.m. We're going to have a new, fresh, up-to-date article. Then hit next. Sorry, let's actually go back here. You can choose the amount of articles you want. So if you want 2 different articles, you can. Or let's say we just want 1 article per day at 9 a.m. Then we're going to use our model. We can play around with any one of these models. Sonnet 4.5, we will change this over to Sonnet 4.6 as well, or add that in. Or you can use Claude Opus 4.6, whatever you like to do. You can add a brand voice. You can edit your tone, your language, and your word count. You can also choose your research model. So we'll actually go out and research the information as well to ensure it's optimized. How many images you want to create. And you can also toggle on or toggle off GEO optimization. And also go ahead and choose your internal linking. So then go ahead to next. Now, when it comes to publish, there's 3 different modes. One can be, it'll generate the topics and then you manually trigger the automation through the topics that you like. You can do auto draft, which means it'll post as a draft onto your Ghost, or you can do auto publish, which means it'll post it directly and publish it on your Ghost website. So to do so, once we click auto publish, it's going to choose between WordPress and Ghost. We're going to go with Ghost, and then we're going to select our site, and then we're going to choose what we want to post as, a page or a post. In this example, it's probably best to do it as a post. And that is it. You go ahead and you click create automation, and then just remember to activate your automation and you're good to go. So as you can see here, this is my test 2, but I already have a test that's happening right now. And we can see that this is around AI news in 2026. So we see advertising and chatbots, AI backbone for enterprises, voice AI's latencies, vibe coding. We saw that article, open source AI's global surge, Chinese models, right? So a lot of the stuff here is new and up-to-date information. The societal AI clash, bubbles, backlash and regulations, reshaping developments in 2026. So again, we can see all of these articles the topics are being researched live and up to date, and then the AI is going out and writing on those topics, and you can always trigger any one of these to generate at any time, and you can also go ahead and view the content that has been generated. So for example, here is the open source AI's global surge article that was generated. We can see in our Ghost admin panel on their pages, we can see that this was posted 3 hours ago automatically onto our website. So again, if I go back a couple of days ago, we can see that this was also posted and everything looks great. We have internal links, key takeaways, so on and so forth. So you can automate high quality research backed SEO optimized articles and connect that directly to Ghost with your API integration with WordRocket. It is completely seamless, easy to do. And as you can see here, it can allow you to free up your time to focus on writing other types of article or doing other things within your business. If you'd like to try this automation for yourselves, head over to app.wordrocket.ai, head over to settings and then Ghost, and you can set up your Ghost CMS with directly to WordRocket. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.